Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP. In this quick video today I'll be showing you everything you need to know about URL variables and how you can use this to improve your workflow as well as your customer experience. Let's get into it. Alright, so there are a few different ways that you can use URL variables that would improve your overall workflow. Let's get started by using URL variables to actually pre-select things in an order form. Let me go ahead and show you an example right here. If we go to our sample price page, as you can see here, we have three different options. Depending on which option I select out of these, the right service will be pre-selected within the order form. If I go ahead and click on Demo Basic, as you can see over here, it's going to redirect me to the order form with basic plan selected already. We can achieve this by using URL variables, as you can see here. The best way to set this up is to configure it into the Buy Now button on your page. If we go back to our Buy Now here, you'll see that each one of these buttons actually leads to a different URL if we look at the bottom left. As you can see, this one redirects you to field_3 equals to 23, and this one redirects you to field_22. The first one does not have a field redirection because by default, the first service available is the one that gets selected. Now to show you this on the backend, the way to set this up would be to navigate to your form and find out what the field number is. As you can see here, the field number is 3, which is why this URL variable here is field_3, and 22 stands for the number of the service. So basic plan is service number 22 and the professional plan is service number 23. So the way that you would set this up is you would have field_3 equals 22 or 23 based on whichever button your client clicks. This can be set up for any kind of field that you would need to set this up for. Hopefully this video has helped you get yourself some URL variables configured into your order forms, as well as maybe made your flow easier on the back end. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any time, and we hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching this.